For accurate weather forecast and live news, subscribe to our Skymet Weather YouTube channel. Press the bell icon and do not miss on any of our weather news.
Welcome to Skymet. This is the National Weather Bulletin forecast for next 24 hours commencing 6th of April morning. The highlights of this brief is the fresh spell of rain and snow that continues over the mountains of North India, and also the activity will now extend and cover even plains also. Punjab, Haryana, adjacent parts will have a spell of rain and thunder shower. We have a look at the weather systems affecting all these parts. The earlier western disturbance which had moved away, but close on the heels was another one which is now marked over parts of Jammu and Kashmir and adjoining region. This is the one which will take some time, almost about 2 days time. That is 6th and 7th, these 2 days it's going to spend over this region and then affect weather over Jammu, Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand area. A little less over Uttarakhand, more over the other 2 states. It could be some heavier also at few places. Mid and the higher reaches will have more of snow, and the lower end reaches will have fair amount of rain and thunder shower activity. Could be hailstorm also at a few places. Along with this, there is a cyclonic circulation. This is marked over northern parts of Rajasthan, adjoining Haryana and Punjab region. A feeble trough extends from there. But then this is the one which is responsible in a connection with this together, particularly the foothills of Punjab, Haryana, starting with even Pathankot, Gurdaspur, Amritsar, Ludhiana, Patiala, going up to Ropar and Chandigarh, even Haryana, parts of northern parts, particularly Ambala, Karnal, Yamunanagar. These are the places which will be in for some thunderstorm activity. This could possibly extend a mild spell even over the national capital Delhi also. Can expect some mild thunderstorm with some gusty winds. Squally winds are expected over these areas as such. Now, the temperatures which are showing a rising trend over the area could possibly dip after the passage of this particular system, drop by 2 to 3 degrees. As such, there are no heat wave conditions as such over the country as such, barring some parts of Rajasthan, extreme western parts where in Jaisalmer, Bardmer, Falodi, these are the pockets which are having temperature to the tune of about 43 degrees centigrade or so. But with the passage of this system, a reversal in the winds will bring down these temperatures also by almost about 2 to 4 degrees. Rain is expected over North Rajasthan, only some places, that's the Suratgarh, Hanumangarh, it could be Anoopgarh. These are the places which can expect some rain, light rain. Other than this, there is a cyclonic circulation that's over parts of northern parts of Chhattisgarh, adjoining Jharkhand, but not much of weather associated with particular this system. Trough which is seen earlier also still extends from coast parts of Kerala and then goes up to interior parts of Karnataka. Some isolated weather activity is expected over these parts also, over parts of Kerala and maybe southern coastal parts of Karnataka. Interior parts of Tamil Nadu continue to be hot to the tune of about 38, 39, even 40 at places. Chennai has cooled down a little from the earlier 40 plus or so. It has dipped now at least by about 3 to 4 degrees or so. It remains at this level now. The northeastern parts having some rain and thunder shower activity, basically because of these circulations, and there are some winds from the Bay of Bengal visiting this area, and thus it's what is causing some scattered but light activity. Most of the places, yes, one odd place it is having some moderate also, like in the earlier past 48 hours, even West Bengal had also some moderate shower at few places. Now, finally, the system which had intensified into a depression over the Gulf of Marathman in the Andaman Sea, that is weakened 2 days back itself to a low pressure area, well marked low then, and then now the remnant of the system as expected is lying as a cyclonic circulation. This also shows signs of weakening further. There have been almost fairly widespread rain thunder shower with the moderate to heavy showers also at places in the past 24 hours also, but then this shows signs of weakening and possibly it may fizzle out somewhere here only or drift a little away from this region. Give another say 24 hours or so, it should become insignificant. That's the weather brief from Skymet. Keep watching for latest and further information. Thank you.
Keep your family healthy by downloading Skymet AQI app and tracking air pollution of your location in real time.